6 hours of incessant rains, there has been severe waterlogging at many places in the national capital yesterday. The city has recorded as much as 125.6 millimeters of rain, the heaviest since 2003. And air and road traffic was affected, with the number of flights at the Indira Gandhi International Airport being either delayed or diverted. Traffic too was brought to a halt in many areas of the capital, and in a related incident, at least 10 people were killed in a wall collapse in Noida due to heavy rains lashing in the capital. 4 children and 2 women are amongst those dead, and 9 are others who are injured and are now undergoing treatment at a government hospital in Noida. The incident took place in Sector 58 of Noida late last night. And we spoke to the mayor of Delhi, Kanwar Sen, who said that there was no cause for panic and the administration was taking all the measures to control the waterlogging.
Yesterday night there was no waterlogging because it was continuously raining. So you cannot say this waterlogging. But if this is raining, then naturally water has to be there on the road. But in the morning I saw different channels. There are a few places that are waterlogging due to different regions. And most of the sites, the metro work is going on. That is the reason for waterlogging. And other sites, the Jal board is working. And there are other agencies also like PWD. They are also working. So due to that, the waterlogging is there. But at few sites, the outfall has been blocked due to rain, the material which is flowing in the rain. That is the reason the outfall has been blocked, and that is the reason waterlogging is there. But I have directed all my zonal DCs, deputy commissioners, to take care of it, and they have further directed the department. They are on the work now, and that within 1 or 2 hours, everything will be clear.
And Rhythm is now joining us with the latest information. Rhythm, how is the situation now? What are the areas that have been severely affected, and what is the local administration doing to control the situation?
Harishri, as you can see around me, there is still traffic jam. I am standing in Ring Road. This is one of the poshest South Delhi areas. There is huge traffic jam that is seen here in this particular area. In fact, the reason for this is that there is an underway that is being used by the travellers. That underway is completely waterlogged. The reason, of course, for this being the heavy rains that lashed the capital for 6 hours yesterday. That entire drain, that entire underway has been completely waterlogged. Since 6 a.m. today morning, there have been efforts that are being made to make sure that that entire underway that is being waterlogged is able to be better so that the travellers can move. However, for the time being in this area, there has been diversion of the traffic. The traffic is not able to move ahead. The reason for this, of course, being, as I already told you, the waterlogged areas. Heavy rain in this area. In fact, Delhi recorded its heaviest rainfall yesterday. 56% of the total rainfall that Delhi has seen this monsoon was recorded yesterday since June 1st. As you secondly asked me what is happening with the MCD and the civic authorities, well, the MCD had in September begun desilting of the drains in the area in South Delhi. However, that didn't actually do any good. As you can already see, there are choked drains. A lot of people in the houses are saying that water gushed into the houses. A lot of vehicles were stranded here. Now, the first question you asked me, how many areas are waterlogged? There are many localities in the capital that are waterlogged. Let me start with Ames, ITO, Khan Market, Connaught Place, Rajinder Nagar, Tilak Nagar, Kalkaji, Okhla. All of them were waterlogged. Huge traffic jams were seen here. Even now, there are a lot of traffic jams. There are a lot of traffic police officers here trying to control the traffic, since there have been diversions created because of the waterlogging in the underways. We did speak to a couple of travellers. They did tell us that there has been a huge amount of pain that has been caused to them, havoc to them. A lot of motorists, in fact, were stranded in the path yesterday. And a lot of traffic jams. 2 to 3 hours was the minimum number of time that was being taken for them to move back to their houses. One last point has to be made here. The civic authorities had last year told us that they would be doing their best and there would be no waterlogging in the capital. But as we can see, waterlogging continues. It has completely washed away the tall claims made by the MCD. The capital has been held hostage to rainfall that lashed the capital for 6 hours yesterday. Harishri.
All right, Rhythm, we'll leave it at that. Thanks for that information. We'll move on and take a look at the other top stories at this hour.